February.
You might get watch this way or this way.
Yeah, February 7 dito kami ni Jan pareho sa school ng mga bata. Pipick upin ni Jan si Kuya kasi may golf. Tapos ako naman pipick upin ko si Hol kasi may dancing. O, diba? First day of dancing ni Holly. Si Kuya last week. Lagi man si Kuya may golf lesson, diba? Antok pa ako guys kasi ang aga ko nang nagigising. So nag-adjust na talaga yung body ko na matulog ng maaga, gising ng maaga. Kasi napaka busy na ng aming life. Sinihintay lang namin yung mga bata. Si Sak sasama na rin siya kay January. Hindi ko alam kung kailan yung last vlog ko guys. Hindi ako masyado nag-vlog kasi wala na tayong wala na akong SD card guys. Yung lahat ng SD card ko ay full yung memory. So ang gamit ko yung phone and eto full na rin. Konti na lang yung space niya. Nagdi-delete na ako dito sa phone. So update ko na lang kayo sa ganap namin. So today is February 7. First time kong pipick upin si Holly and si Jan pinick up niya na si Kuya couple times. Dito sa kahapon pinick up niya rin si Kuya. Basta maraming beses niya na pick up si Kuya. Ako first time kong pick upin. So gamit ni Jan yung kanyang not very new car. Kasi second hand din na car niyan, di ba? So ayan, gamit niya na yung kanyang car. Yan na si Sag. Tumatakbo si Sag na si Holly.
Now he's having a shot, so can't play out there.
Hi. Love you.
Quiet.
Hi.
Wait, what's our bag?
Hi, Papa.
Did you put my bag in here?
Hello. Yes, I did.
Is it trash?
Hey, Wolf. Hey, Wolf. Why you go jump on, baby?
Nakabihis na si Hall, nakapag-change na siya. And ayun na yung tatlo doon. Ang hirap lumabas kasi napaka-busy ng kalsadang to. So maya-maya pa kami ni Holly. Alas 4 pa naman yung dance lesson niya.
Will I be late?
No, we're not. Si Jan, nag-tiyempo rin siya paano siya makakalabas. And ayan na yung bus na papunta sa atin. Pero wala yung mga bata doon. Go back? No, not yet. Oh, I'm busy oh. Tiyempo din si Johnny Boy. Kalabas na yung ulo ng car niya. Dalawa, andun din sa una ni John. Ha, watch out that one. Naunahan ka na nun. Okay. And there's kaya ako mamaya na ako pag No. Busy din dun sa kabila. So, papunta dito si Jan eh.
Well, why do we turn?
Ayan na siya. Ayan, back to dancing. Ayan yung mukha niya pala guys. Nung gumising siya, magayan, mas okay na ngayon kaysa kaninang umaga. Nasa nasa Facebook page ko, at saka TikTok at saka Instagram. Kasi nag mini vlog ako.
Does it look fun?
Yeah. Tapos na si Holly mag-dance dito kayo sa Asian store. Ayan, kuha ulit akong balot. Nagbalot na ako last time. Dito kayo nabili. Ayan, kuha ulit tayo yung tatlo. 3 for 5 or $3 each. 2 for 5 pala. 2 for 5. Ayan, kuha tayo. You got bummers?
Bubblegum?
Bubblegum. Kumuha siya ng bubblegum. And meron tayong skyflakes na choco. And cane vinegar and yung dalawang balot enchilada. Yan yung nabili natin today dito. Alright. May to sa sale. Andito na sila. Ayan yung dinner namin tonight. Pizza. And sabi ni Jan, pumunta daw si Sak sa sa gasolinahan. Tapos may may service ba. Kumuha si Sak ng Gatorade. Then, dapat isa lang. Nakita ni Sak na mura. Kinuha niya ng dalawa kasi $5.50 ang isa. So, sa $10 may sukli pa siya. Kaya kinuha niya. So, yun lang. Na-share ko lang sa inyo. And, nagpapakulo akong tubig kasi magluluto akong balot. Meron pa akong tatlo. Ayan, unahin ko muna. Tapos yung dalawa nilagay ko sa fridge. Kasi nung last week, bumili ako ng 6. So, kinain ko na yung tatlo na live ko yon sa FB. So, yan guys. Luto muna ako yan. And check natin yung bag ni Holly. Yung lunch bag niya. Kung naubos niya. Oh, ayan na lang yung natira. Madami yan guys. Nasa Facebook ko yung yung mini vlog ko ng paggawa ng lunch nila. Si Kuya meron siyang lasagna pasta pasta. So, ayan. So, kain muna kami guys. Yan yung dinner.
I said I don't want to.
Yeah. No, 5, 4. Yeah. Then I'll put this on the side with your pretzels. So you can have cheese with pretzels. Salad. 2.
I'm bored. Just talk with him. I should have told him not saying soaps. No, I'm not fair. And why do I see you so? It's not what he said. You're so strange. Not that's me hamburger.
That's not from
Yeah. I see you did this one.
Yours is hard.
Mine's a hot. Mine's a hot. Quiz a real hamburger.
Take 5.
Yeah. And I can just eat it in one bite and it tastes good. Always do that to my lunch, Mom. Please.
Yeah, we have different shapes there, Mama.
Really? Oh, we also have a lot of
Double cheese. Okay.
No.
Alright. So when you grab it, just grab this like that. Okay. So,
I'm so you should have no strawberries.
no more strawberries. Okay. Okay. Yeah, for next week.
Oh, I need to know.
Yeah, I put that on your pretzels.
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 Oh, yeah. Good. I love them.
Hey, Dad, try the noodles.
Thank you, Papa, for rubbing it. Oh, that's still good, baby. I love it.
Dad,
I love it.
You know why?
Mama, is it cleaner?
Because you always don't have it cleaning.
Yeah, I always do hard work for you.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
I'm gonna go get get that very clean. And this one.
Oh, yes. Yes.
Let's have tomorrow.
What's this, Dad? Dad, what's this? Dad, what's this?
Yeah, it's perfect. Now.
This the top one
Yeah.
or this one?
Both. I love it, Papa. Baby.
That was doing it to me.
Real sure, Holly.
No, I love it, baby. Oh. You're better than the massager, love.
Maybe that's to do the massage when you need one
Yes, of course.
instead of paying.
Yeah, I would love the baby.
That will always do.
Yes, thank you.
Oh, ladies too.
Yeah, everything.
How do you do that? Oh, you put so much there and then just
Yeah.
press it down. I'm gonna eat that all. I'm gonna eat everything. Because you give up hard work for me.
That's what
I'll get my apple.
Yeah, I think I got apple in your bag.
Oh, oh, grapes. I mean blueberries.
Yes, baby. one. Here you go.
Oh yeah, I eat together.
Here you go. Kuya, here you go. Oh, this is last. This is last.
Genesis.
Look at that Baba.
Is it? Not that you got confused with the lunch boxes.
Do you want to? I'll put your lolly
Yeah, chop me off.
here, Baba. Roll up here, okay? Love you.
Yeah, the sister.
Baby. I have to brush your hair. Come on. Okay, very good. Okay, good luck. Listen and learn. Thank you. See you later. I'll pick you up, okay?
After.
See ya. Come on, hurry up. No. See ya. See.
Say.
See ya, Baba.
Because I think I do